My video will help you to remove the new ransomware called StormCry. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover the files. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular ransomware called StormCry may be very easily injected into the computer. It actually appends a special extension called stormous to the file names. As a consequence, it's impossible to use the data. The ransomware tells the victims in a special ransom note that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. But I urge you not to waste your money and not to pay the ransom. Instead, I recommend you to scan your computer with Combo Cleaner. Go to the website combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and once the application is successfully installed, start researching the computer. So Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to effectively identify and eliminate other threats on your system, including this ransomware. The software is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of these ransomware or other threats. And then after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your system. It will also help you to identify other threats, such as these annoying pop-ups that you are probably facing on your system. And of course, this ransomware will also be detected and deleted by the premium license of Combo Cleaner. You can also request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover your data. Even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover the files, Combo Cleaner will help you to remove this ransomware and to protect your data ahead of time.